In a world obsessed with grades, one question remains: who killed creativity? Welcome to the curious case of the grading system. Every year, millions of children are measured, but rarely understood. We hand out A's, B's, and C's, but forget the D's that stand for dreamer, designer, doer. What if we graded curiosity instead of compliance? What if the best student wasn't the quietest, but the one who dared to ask why? Because grades can measure memory, but not courage. They can measure handwriting, but not imagination. Every child deserves to be more than a number. Maybe it's time to reopen the case. The evidence is clear. We've been grading the wrong things, and creativity still missing.